Hi, it's Jennifer Young with Jennifer Young Homes. Hope you're doing well. And we wanted to give you a few tips if you're a buyer considering buying in this early spring or late spring real estate market. Things have started to heat up as interest rates have settled down a bit, which is great news for everyone. And we wanted to share a couple tips with you. Number one is get an idea of the neighborhoods you're interested in. Driving around during the day, nights, and weekends is always helpful to familiarize yourself with neighborhoods and hone in on an area or general area. And of course, we'll send you listings and happy to drive you around as well once you've narrowed it down a little bit. Getting pre-approved is so important, and really tip number two, should be tip number one almost, because understanding your financial ability to not just get approved for a loan, but what does that mean on your monthly payment basis to make sure it's affordable for you and you're not house poor and have the money to still live a good lifestyle, furnish it, moving costs, etc. Especially with how volatile rates have been over the last year and they change every single day. Getting pre-approved with a great local trusted lender is one of the best first steps in preparing for finding and purchasing a home, so you understand your purchasing power, and when you do find your dream home, you'll be so far ahead of the competition who may just be starting that process. Tip number three is let's talk about befriending a local home inspector, because we always recommend home inspections and we encourage you to do a home inspection contingency. However, we're noticing, especially inside the Beltway, throughout the DMV and sometimes suburban areas, the market's really picking up and we're seeing multiple offers. Sometimes buyers are choosing to waive the inspection contingency to make their offer more competitive. While it's not something we suggest doing, sometimes the seller requires it to win the offer, and if it's your dream property, it might be worth considering. However, you can do something called a walk and talk inspection. You can pay a home inspector a lot less money to accompany us on the showing and look at the major systems and structure of the home. See if there's any red flags that they say, don't buy this home, it might be a lemon of a home, or you really have to get a home inspection contingency or structural contingency to investigate it further. Or they might say, everything checks out, basement's dry as a bone, systems look great, no indication of structural issues, to give you that comfortable feeling to perhaps write an offer non-contingent. Again, it's not something we typically suggest, but as things starting to heat up in the spring market, it's a good tool to have in your pocket if you do choose to be non-contingent if you find your dream home. So there's many other suggestions we have, but those are the first three if you're starting your home search process. We can help with all of them, of course. We've got great local lenders who can get you qualified for free and no obligation that we trust and use personally. We've got great home inspectors and an awesome team of agents as well that know most neighborhoods throughout the DMV. So we look forward to answering your questions and helping you in any way possible. So if you'd like to get pre-approved or just learn about the home buying process, never any cost, obligation, or pressure with our team, reach out to us. You can find us at jenniferyounghomes.com or call 703-651-5655. Thanks and have a great day.